Hi everybody, thank you for watching my video. Today I'm gonna talk about grammar in English, but I'm gonna explain in Lingala and English, okay? Because we have a lot of students who don't speak English correctly, so I'm here to help them, right? Alors, nako lobela mingi na nali na loba Lingala anglais. Kunoko ko ede bande comme subal baka anglais malam. Lelo loko tunalobela eza na lobela sala na anglais mais tokosala nde baexercice na yango. Il faut la vidéo pardon, il faut la vocabulaire na grammaire oyo ensemble, hein? Alors ntango tozoloba there bla 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 farmer, tokoloba are or is, tala awa bien oyo eza pluriel, hein? Donc réponse eke ezala réponse tokoloba eza they are, hein? Yango wana réponse they are farm, hein? They are farm, hein? Exercice ya mibale, you are blah 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 a driver. You are is a driver. No good. You are a driver. Okay. La réponse est ça là. Et puis réponse est ça ni. You are a. No, you don't know the answer. You are a. You are a driver. Huh? You are. No. You know the answer? No. You are a. You are a driver. Huh? You is a sales assistant. No good. No good. Think again. Think. Raisonner. Raisonner, baba, bon, hein? You are. Hein? Ok? On le va. You are a driver. Hein? On le va. You are a driver. Okay? Tuzonga suso. You are a sales assistant. Okay? Réponse est à O. This is the right answer. Okay? Not this. Huh? Next question. You is a businesswoman. Nope. You are businesswoman. Huh? This one. You are a businesswoman. Huh? Loko nalingaki na kuansene bino yango na me to zonga lisusu sima mwambango mpona ko yango malamu. Tona lobi boy. To zonga sima. Sona lobi boy. You are farmer. Réponse kitoko ya. Or is that wrong? Okay? They are farmers. Huh? You are. This is wrong. That's one, the right one. You are a driver. Huh? You are a sales assistant. Huh? This one, the right one. Sorry. This is the right one. Huh? You are business women. Our poisana pluriel. Always on a pluriel. Okay? Vous pardonnez. Is on a pluriel. Okay? So, you are business women. Okay? Alors, eloko nalingi naloba wana yango wana Zambe abatela bino botikala malamu. Merci mingi.